I found this random laptop for 35 euros in a second-hand store and decided to risk a rebuild. It's Intel i7-2630QM, GeForce GT 540M, Bluetooth, USB 3 and Ethernet. It was without any memory and a drive, so I bought the maximum amount of RAM, 16 GB, and an SSD drive. I wanted this computer to serve me for, say, 2 years, so I also bought a power supply and a battery. I replaced the battery, then installed the RAM. I'm also installing 256 GB SSD. Since it's smaller than the factory HDD, I added a piece of cardboard for stability. Well, it's time for a test. Good thing is, it turns on, great. Well, the next step will be to clean the laptop by opening it up and cleaning the inside, replacing the old thermal conductive paste. In this case it's thermal heat patches, but I replace it with the best thermal paste I know. I put everything back together, and for another test, this time we start with a Windows 10 USB starter. The computer boots well, so I proceed to install Windows. It works! We have Windows installed. In this case it's Windows 10, because the computer can't handle 11. The only thing that doesn't work is the left speaker. So there you have it. In total the laptop cost me 150 euros. I use it every day to watch movies and to work comfortably from my chair.